If you think you already know all the car hacks worth knowing, let me warn you right now. Most of what drivers call car hacks either do nothing or slowly damage the car. But there are a handful of tricks used quietly by experienced mechanics, fleet operators, and engineers that extend engine life, prevent expensive failures, improve reliability, and save thousands of dollars over time. The problem is, almost nobody teaches them because they don't sell parts, services, or flashy products. Today, I'm going to share 10 brilliant car hacks most drivers don't know, and every single one is based on real mechanical logic, not myths, not gimmicks. Stay until the end, because the final hack explains why some cars easily pass 200,000 miles while others die early, even with perfect maintenance. What makes a real car hack and why most are fake. Before we start, let's define something clearly. A real car hack works on any modern vehicle, follows manufacturer logic, reduces stress on components, prevents damage before it starts. A fake car hack sounds clever, shows dramatic results on camera, ignores long-term consequences. Everything in this list comes from OEM service procedures, long-time master mechanics, fleet maintenance practices, real-world failure patterns. No shortcuts, no miracles. Hack number 1, the 30-second idle rule that saves engines. Most drivers do one of two things. They start the car and drive off immediately, or they idle forever to warm it up. Both are wrong. Here's the correct method used by experienced mechanics. After a cold start, idle for 20 to 30 seconds. Then drive gently for the first few minutes. Why this works: oil pressure stabilizes. Critical parts receive lubrication. Fuel dilution is minimized. Idling longer than 30 seconds increases fuel contamination, worsens carbon buildup, does not warm oil efficiently. Driving hard immediately starves tight clearance components, accelerates wear. This one habit alone significantly extends engine life. Quick check. Do you usually drive off immediately or idle for a long time? Comment, drive or idle. Hack number 2. Use highway driving as preventive maintenance. Most people think highway driving is just transportation. It's not. It's preventive maintenance. Short trips cause moisture buildup, fuel dilution, carbon formation. Highway driving does the opposite. Evaporates moisture, stabilizes oil chemistry, burns off soft deposits. Experienced mechanics recommend 120 to 30-minute continuous drive every week or two. Not aggressive driving, not redline runs. Just steady speed after full warm-up. Cars that get this regularly last longer. Period. Hack number 3. Treat your oil life monitor as a guide, not a law. Oil life monitors are smart, but they don't measure moisture content, fuel dilution, short trip contamination. That's why two cars at 30% oil life can have very different oil conditions. Real-world rule used by fleet managers. Short trips equals shorter oil intervals. Long trips equals normal intervals. Blindly following the longest interval because mileage is low is how engines sludge. Hack number 4. The battery test. Most drivers never do. Batteries don't die suddenly. They weaken slowly. Here's the hack. Turn headlights on. Start the engine. Watch the lights. If lights dim excessively during cranking, the battery is already struggling. Why this matters. Weak batteries stress starters. Voltage drops confuse electronics. Sensors behave erratically. Replacing a battery before failure prevents random warning lights, transmission glitches, ECU faults. This is why city-driven cars eat batteries faster. Hack number 5. Stop over-tightening everything. More tight does not mean more secure. Over-tightening strips threads, warps components, causes hidden damage. Examples: oil drain plugs, spark plugs, wheel lug nuts. Professional mechanics rely on torque specs, torquey wrenches. One stripped oil pan or snapped stud costs far more than buying the right tool. Hack number 6. The $5 habit that protects your transmission. Most drivers believe this myth. Modern transmissions are sealed and maintenance-free. That belief has destroyed more transmissions than aggressive driving ever did. Here's the hack professional fleet mechanics use. Always pause 3 to 5 seconds when shifting from reverse to drive and vice versa. Why this matters. Transmission fluid needs time to redirect. Hydraulic pressure must stabilize. Clutches need a moment to disengage and reapply. Rapid gear changes. Shock clutch packs. Accelerate wear. Create harsh shifts over time. This single habit can extend transmission life by tens of thousands of miles. Quick check. Do you shift immediately or do you pause? Comment. Pause or instant. Hack number 7. The oil filter mistake that quietly kills engines. Most drivers focus on oil quality. They ignore the filter. Here's the truth mechanics learn the hard way. A bad oil filter can destroy an engine even with perfect oil. Cheap or incorrect filters can collapse internally, restrict oil flow, stick bypass valves. This causes oil starvation at high RPM, accelerated bearing wear, delayed engine failure. The hack: use OEM or high-quality equivalent filters. Avoid one-size-fits-all filters. Saving $4 on a filter can cost $4,000 later. Hack number 8. Brake longer, not harder. This saves more than pads. Most people brake late and hard. It feels efficient. It's not. Experienced drivers and mechanics use this trick. Brake earlier and lighter, then release smoothly. Why it works: reduces heat buildup, prevents rotor warping, extends caliper and suspension life. Hard braking overheats components, transfers heat into wheel bearings, accelerates suspension wear. This habit alone can double brake life and reduce vibration complaints. Hack number 9. Premium parts aren't always better. This one upsets people, but it's true. More expensive parts aren't automatically better. Examples: aftermarket spark plugs with incorrect heat range, high-flow air filters that contaminate sensors, performance brake pads that squeal and wear rotors. The hack experienced mechanics follow: use OEM spec parts, not upgraded parts. Match the vehicle's original design intent. Cars last longer when parts behave predictably. Hack number 10. Clean one sensor to fix multiple problems. This is one of the highest value hacks there is. Cleaning the mass airflow sensor. A dirty MAF causes poor MPG, hesitation, rough idle, delayed shifting, random warning lights. And yet most drivers never clean it. Correct method: use MAF specific cleaner only. Never touch the sensor element. Let it air dry completely. This 10-minute job has fixed thousands of mystery problems. The one mindset that connects all 10 hacks. If you've made it this far, here's the pattern most drivers never notice. None of these hacks are about driving slower, buying expensive products, obsessing over every noise. They're all about reducing shock, heat, and instability. Engines, transmissions, brakes, batteries, and sensors don't fail because of mileage alone. They fail because of repeated stress spikes. Every hack you've learned does one thing: it smooths transitions. Cold to warm, neutral, drive, off to on, light load arrow, heavy load. Cars that last a long time don't live easy lives. They live predictable ones. Why these habits compound. This is where the money is. Here's something fleet managers understand very well. One good habit helps. 2 habits help more. But when you combine several, the effect multiplies. Example: gentle warm-up plus correct oil intervals. Highway heat cycles plus clean sensors. Smooth braking plus transmission pauses. Individually, each saves wear. Together, they change the entire failure timeline of the vehicle. That's why some cars go 200,000 plus miles with original engines and transmissions, while others need major repairs at 90,000 miles. Same model, same engine, different habits. The one mistake that cancels all these hacks. This is important. You can do everything right and still lose all the benefits if you do this. Ignoring small warning signs because the car still runs fine. Examples: slight hesitation, small MPG drop, occasional rough idle, minor vibration. These are early signals, not inconveniences. Cars talk quietly before they scream. The drivers who catch problems early, clean instead of replace, adjust instead of rebuild, spend hundreds instead of thousands. The ones who wait get surprised by sudden failures. They weren't sudden. Why modern cars punish neglect faster than older ones. This isn't nostalgia, it's engineering. Modern cars run tighter tolerances, use thinner oils, depend heavily on sensors, operate closer to efficiency limits. That means small issues snowball faster. Dirty data causes big decisions. Minor habits matter more than ever. The upside: if you treat modern cars correctly, they can last longer than older cars ever did. But only if you play by their rules. The hidden reason: well-maintained cars still fail. This confuses a lot of people. They say, I did all the maintenance. But maintenance isn't just parts and intervals. It's how you start, how you shift, how you brake, how you drive short trips, how you respond to changes. Two drivers can follow the same service schedule. One car survives, the other doesn't. The difference is behavior between services. Why these hacks aren't taught at dealerships. Dealerships work on time efficiency, warranty coverage, standard procedures. They're not set up to teach driving habits, long-term stress reduction, behavioral maintenance. Independent master mechanics see cars after warranty. That's where these patterns become obvious. And that's where these hacks come from. How to actually apply all 10 without overthinking. Here's the simple version. Give the car 30 seconds before driving. Drive gently until warm. Let transmission settle before shifting. Use highway driving as maintenance. Adjust oil intervals if you do short trips. Use OEM spec parts. Clean sensors before replacing them. Pay attention to small changes. That's it. No obsession, no paranoia, just awareness. Final reality check. Cars don't usually die because of one big mistake. They die because of hundreds of small ones. The good news? That means you don't need to be perfect. You just need to be a little smarter than average. And that alone puts you ahead of most drivers on the road. Be honest. Which one habit from this list are you going to start doing differently starting tomorrow? Warm-up routine, transmission pause, highway heat cycle, shorter oil intervals, sensor cleaning, smoother braking. Comment it below. Your answer might help someone else change theirs. If this series helped you, share it with a driver who thinks maintenance only means oil changes.